Hi guys, welcome to FTIC After Gala Night.
Especially to its dynamic and very energetic chairman, Liza Lariosa. Thank you for making this gathering today possible. And of course, to all the wonderful and amazing speakers this afternoon, you are all God's sent. Give them all a big round of applause. So I've had these conversations with Liza since I believe as early as November of 2023, planning for the third. If you've heard Chris, this is the third. We call it MEPHILUS, Middle East, Philippines, United States consortium. And I'm amazed about how this has come into fruition. And definitely, our coming here together today is a product of the woven grace of teaching. Thank you, Liza, and your cohort for weaving your dreams with us. 2024 Gala Night. The Association of Film Teachers of America, or AFTA, is composed of exemplary and dedicated educators in the United States, in the Philippines, and other countries, such as the United Arab Emirates, with its home base in New York City. AFTA has consistently implemented its projects and programs for over 3 decades, with a vision that all teachers will have the opportunity to achieve their fullest potential and be of service to their community. AFTA started in 1989 as a means to collectively address the problems of the permanent residency status. Servant leaders who are committed to advance its advocacies. AFTA continues to reach out and serve the Filipino educators and learners in the United States, in the Philippines, and the diaspora. Among its many noteworthy, it takes a village to raise a child, as the saying goes. But it takes more than that. It takes a village of like-minded, kind-hearted, and dedicated individuals in order to collaborate in our advocacies as we all strive to meet our goals of making education, but really not just education, but quality education accessible to all. May we continue to shine hope and inspire others by showing the true essence of service, the ultimate validation of how good our work is in God's hands. So let's ask for God's grace to keep our intentions pure, forge on, and never lose hope. Now, this afternoon, as a declaration of support for our Filipino learners and educators around the globe, may I ask everyone to please hold on to a glass of wine. Colored. Okay, so as educators, all of our work is driven by our passion for our students and the belief that every child deserves an excellent education. We believe it is our responsibility to inspire and equip all students to succeed in college, career, and life. We know that disparities in educational progress are linked to race, power, and privilege, and we take action to address these inequalities. This declaration unites members of the Association of Film Teachers of America in the United States and its chapters in the Philippines and the United Arab Emirates sa Consulado since 1998 and the Adapt a School project since 2012. The Balikturo program is a yearly missionary work of AFTA, where Phil-Am teachers do not only go home on vacation during our summer hiatus, but also find time to give back to our motherland by participating in the Balikturo Caravan and sharing in our local communities. It lays out many of the valued services and outreach programs that we can support for Filipino learners and educators that we believe we can have an impact in the improvement of outcomes for students and elevate the teaching profession. Let's raise our glass as a symbol of our commitment of support to the Filipino learners and educators wherever they may be. Cheers!
Cheers!
Cheers! Mabuhay tayong lahat!
Mabuhay!
Maraming salamat po. Okay.
Let us toast to unity and collaboration. Together, let us create a world where every Filipino learners, no matter where they roam, is welcome, valued, and given the tools they need to succeed. Let us build bridges of opportunity, erase boundaries of limitation, and pave the way for a brighter tomorrow, enriched by diverse talents and boundless potential of our Filipino learners. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations for the declaration of support for our Filipino learners across the globe. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite everyone to enjoy